With the handle matter when it say concern 17 years old girl where the mama and the papa they force the girl make the girl marry their landlord. Say if the girl not marry their landlord, say them go kill the girl. In fact, the matter reach level when it be say the girl come run come out for house. The landlord itself, they in support. The landlord wife, they in support of the landlord marrying small girls. In fact, different matter plenty for this matter we dey here. So we will get one voice note where the girl send on top of the matter. We go play the voice note before we talk to the person when he be say bring the matter come give us. Then also talk to the boy, the girl mama, and to the girl papa, and to the landlord too. We want marry 17 years old girl. Play the voice note make we hear.
I am coming now.
Because I know all of una they hide under the guise of marriage to take for do all the things when they be say una want do. All of una when they be say na small children una like to dey follow. Nka kind of pedophilia. Make you Tombo summarize the voice note.
Now in summary, the young girl he wrong go her madam place where she dey do tailoring apprentice work now.
Okay.
So what did the voice note talk like say the girl mama tell the girl say make he cross over go their landlord house to go Mapok. So the landlord they wait for him. Even the landlord can't even call the girl through the mama for contact the girl say waiting go like make him buy for him since they go Mapok today. The girl say she don't go do anything.
Now make I understand something. This 17 years old girl where the mama and the papa like make a marry landlord. They are landlord for their house. According to the voice note, the mama tell the girl make he go meet landlord, make landlord sleep with him.
Yes.
Landlord can't call the girl mama. They ask what thing then go buy. No, what they go buy for who? For the girl.
Made them give the girl for when they ask the girl say since they go sleep today. Say what thing then go buy for the girl. The girl say no one anything. Say no one do anything with them. Say no one marry him. And as I talk to your guy, they don't by force the girl go do introduction for police woman house. Not just now. Then if the mama and papa of the girl tell the girl say if she no marry their landlord, say they go kill him. So with the fear, the girl country saying go marry for the police woman house where they go do introduction.
And when this introduction happened?
They don't do the introduction, I think either last week or so, but this woman now, we bring the matter come on top of her backyard, it get full detail.
Now, we go call the woman, call them directly. We go call the woman now, so that when I go hear from on our own mouth, on our own ear, when I go using our ear, hear everything when it be said on top of this matter.
I they call them.
Okay.
All right, sir.
You go put it, bring her. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, ma.
Sir.
Now, they do the talk. You hear me?
Hey, Oga Nedu, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Oh, you get 2 minutes 30 seconds to talk for now before we go market to come back. Start the matter.
Okay.
Where it start from? Will they hear you?
Okay. I guess apprentice, her name is Susan.
Susan.
The girl don't deal with me. Yes. The girl don't deal with me since when in day from my info.
Okay.
So she don't learn the work finish.
Okay.
But in parents, she's supposed to don't collect freedom because she don't study the work well.
Okay.
So the parents come with me say, I beg make her over 3 and say because she still day small.
Okay.
Say when she finish her secondary school, she go come up because she come up my shop, then go open shop for her.
Okay.
So for almost 1 month, the girl no dey come work. Now I come call the girl, come say wetin happen? You know they come work. He say they stop my school because after last time she no go school.
Okay.
So he said they stop my school and they stop and make she know they come work again. Say they force and make him marry a landlord. I come say okay, what do you want? She say she no want marry the landlord. So she all this while she know they come work. Not until on Friday. On Friday she.
This Friday we pass here so.
This last week Friday.
Okay.
For night, me too, I don't even sleep.
Yes.
That around that 12 to 11.
Yes.
So life, my son number can't call me. I can't say which they have. I don't hear somebody they cry. What they cry? They can't say Susan. So I was not even hearing what she was saying very well because she was just crying. I can't pet her. Say Susan, calm down. I can't pet her. What happened? He say they want first. I mean go sleep with their landlord. Let me cannot come up first. I can't say okay. Me I don't come up fine because where I'm staying they very far from my work.
Yes.
I can't say okay. The only help I will render for you. Go my sister-in-law. Go sleep. That be my style of place. Go sleep for there.
Yes.
If I come the next day, being the Saturday,
yes.
say I will come see you. So when I can't go work on that Saturday,
Yes.
I did very, very busy because I be saying again one occasional point say I need to go deliver them.
Yes.
So I can't call my sister-in-law for phone. My sister-in-law can't tell me say, since I just they cry. Say ask her, sister don't agree talk anything. Say I can't okay, you don't give her food. He can't say sister don't agree eat food. I can't say okay, make him give Susan food. He can't give Susan food. So I can't press Susan. Say make she eat something. Say make she know what inside they come.
Yes.
So today the papa can't carry one of my apprentices because the papa no Okada. The papa can't carry one of my apprentices come.
Now, which area this thing they happen?
Yanera, Janiki side. Yanera, Janiki side.
Janiki side. You know the house address of this girl?
I don't know the house address, but I know the house.
Where now? Which area? Now, which street? What's the name of the street?
Era, if you reach Yanera, you go tell them say they go Era.
Okay.
Era.
Okay. Now continue.
If you reach-
Continue. You stop from the part when it be say the girl okay.
He go meet his sister-in-law.
Okay.
Yeah, Papa.
Okay. Go meet the girl's sister. Continue.
Continue.
So the girl papa can't carry one of their. It should be Nadia stuff.
Yes, Nadia. Yes.
The girl can't carry one of my apprentices come shop. The man no ask me anything. We just greet.
Yes.
He know today. He can't come back because this is my apprentice also now one of their language person.
Yes.
So he know today the papa can't carry them my girl back. I can't say that is Susan. This one you won't come carry my girl. Hope nothing happen. What see happen?
Yes.
He say nothing. Say just my girl. Say they just to make him go. They want this somewhere.
Yes.
I can't say okay. Before you know, them apprentices come back. But that on Saturday, I was too busy because I get what I want to deliver. So
Yes.
I only communicate on phone with them, my sister-in-law,
Yes.
Susan.
Yes.
So I don't come feel before I go deliver because of the hold up and all that. I don't come feel reach there
Yes.
on that Saturday. So me and the girl no see on Saturday. So
Yes.
when I reach out on Saturday night, I come to explain to my husband, say, see what happen. I come beg my husband, say, I beg. On Sunday early in the morning, make you help me go pick Susan for that my sister-in-law place.
Yes.
Which my husband come go pick her for that my sister-in-law place. I'm bringing that Sunday.
Yes.
So Sunday when we go church, my husband go me to come back. Another time, my husband come call Susan. So which one of my husband brother where they stay with us. So 4 of us come gather.
Yes.
He come the ask Susan, say, what's the issue? Susan come the narrate say they want making get married to their landlord. They
yes.
get 3 wives.
Yes.
And
Oh,
she know-
the landlord get 3. Wait. The landlord get 3 wives already.
Yes, he got 3 wives
Yes,
already.
now what did she tell us? She
different
come
women.
say, but say the first wife now inspector of police.
The
So
fir-
that voice note my husband said, now be the whole talk with the say so that
The first wife na inspector of police for this Lagos.
now inspector of police, yes.
Wetin be her name and which police station she dey?
I no call her name, but bless na Janiki station, bless na Janiki there.
Ijaniki police station.
Yes.
So na the first wife na
Okay, Yanosach. In the work for Yanosach, yes. In the work for Yanosach.
she dey work for Yanosach.
Yes.
Now
So after
continue.
So when Susan can't talk everything, so my husband can't ask Susan, okay, what do you want make we do for you now? Susan say, no. My husband can't tell us, okay, make we go arrest your mama and your papa. Make we go report the case to woman rights or police station.
Yes.
He can't say, no, make we arrest your mama and papa. We can't tell us, okay, you want me to carry go back to the man where they won't carry married to? He can't say no. My husband can't say, what do you want? She can't say, if you listen to the voice note, she can't say the only option is to kill herself. Now husband can't say, you cannot kill yourself. She can't say no, say she will kill herself because she doesn't have any means of, there's no reason for her for living again. Say she want to kill herself. Now you can't tell my husband, say, I beg, tomorrow morning, be more that go work, you say go come up for her. This if you kill this girl for her, this she go kill herself.
Yes.
Now my husband can't say, okay, move return and go give the parents. That's the same that Sunday night to carry and go give the parents for their house. And when we reached the house, the mother, they were very happy. Even the father was very happy. So not until Monday morning,
Yes.
the landlord, the inspector of police, the woman
Yes.
called me because she's my customer. I used to soak work for her. She called me, say, Madam, do you know that what you did is a kidnap case? I say, how? He saying just call me to let me know, say, the case don't come up from Mama Susan and Papa Susan hand. Saying a kidnap case. He never took it again. Another woman called me again from Janiki police station. Say they are calling me from woman rights. I say who they talk. He said a woman rights 9 they talk. Say make me a report for Janiki police station. And if I they come, make I come without my sister-in-law when sleep for a place. And the woman when they use the number they call me. Make me a report. I say which like this make me a come to police station. So I no can go. Then that the same day again, they come carry police go my shop where they find me up and when they want to take arrest me. The papa of the girl, I carry because the man Okada. Now carry police, they find me up and down, come my shop. Say they find me, they want to arrest me.
Okay.
I want to make her bring the matter, come our backyard, the monk let me check mouth. What I waiting I do? Is they wrong? Even later, the mother of the girl even call me. The one the girl, mother of the girl come, I come tell the mother of the girl say, Mama Susan, waiting I do? Say you no good. I be a police your pikin, make him go kill himself, or maybe the kidnapper that night. Waiting I do? Say you no good. The mama come say make her no dress. Say the two I do they very good. Say but the only waiting they ask me. The landlord tell and say make him collect the person number where they take come on Friday night. Say now be the only solution. Now come and say if you see the number, we can work on the woman don't get to her daughter to reach him, madam. In order to save her. So nothing. The only one is the number. Because say no, the only solution. I can say I won't make case. What I won't make case for? Your Susan tell you say I do anything. You say no. Susan no tell her say I didn't do anything. Say this one I do good. So since yesterday, even yesterday.
Obviously.
They threaten me. I don't feel go work. They don't threaten me. Say they won't carry police arrest me.
Okay. No worry yourself. No worry yourself. Just calm down. No worry yourself. We go as we end the call now. We go come back to you. We go call the mother. We'll call the father and the mother of the girl. Moku talk to them. Moku hear from them. They will come back to you. Okay. Thank you. Dial the number of the parents.
Okay.
So una dey hear wetin dey go on now. So obviously, Tom. Now the landlord. As he be now, I stand corrected. Obviously, as he dey go now, I might be wrong. If it be that the landlord wife now, as he still knock on the go now, maybe I call institute for them to go arrest the girl, this woman now. I stand corrected. I might be wrong, but because if na the man gone we get the daughter, we want make them marry the daughter, the wife no go talk say wetin she do they wrong now. If na the man true when you dey call him.
I dey try to.
No, bring him. Not waste my time. Where the papa? Na the papa number be this.
The first one, this one, the mama one.
Okay.
I'm even wondering how old the other wives are, or how old they were when they
I
married them.
I dey think am. You know, say me, I dey hear the think say na only this police woman na be the.
The number you dialed is switched.
It don't switch off. Mark,
they
don't switch off. If na like, make una run. I never say anything.
One of the information I gathered yesterday that said the papa and mama of the girl beat this Susan ton.
They beat her again yesterday.
Yes, they beat her yesterday. They beat her ton. I gathered the information yesterday.
Wow.
Yes, they beat her. Wait. Then the first I said he must marry.
I beg. Hello? Good morning, ma.
Yeah?
Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
And now you be Susan mama, abi? Now you be Susan mama?
Yes.
My name na Nedu. We dey call you from Wazobia FM. Everybody they hear you now. The whole world they hear you on top what we dey talk so now. Madam, you dey hear me?
Yes.
Now we dey call you on top your daughter matter, Susan.
I don't know you.
Yes.
Susan husband.
You who be Susan's husband? So you don't already give her made them marry him.
Okay.
Calm down, madam. Listen to me. Listen to me. Hear me what I dey talk. You dey listen to me? Now. You dey come where? Hello, ma. You don't know who they talk now.
I dey hear you.
Now, madam, I beg, I want ask you a question. Why una want make your 17 years old daughter marry your landlord?
Yes.
Madam, you dey hear the question why they ask you?
Network,
Madam, we dey hear you.
We dey hear you, not be network.
Hello.
Madam, say me.
Yeah.
Why you want make your 17 years old daughter Susan marry your landlord? We get 3 wives already. Landlord, where one marry the girl? I know, say you dey listen to us, you dey hear us well now. Sir, listen to me and listen attentively. All the necessary authorities where they involved for this Lagos, then they listen to this show now. So you and landlord, we know, we hear say you carry blue film. They show this 17 years old girl. Say na so you want make una two they do the thing. You know what they call that thing for police? That's child pornography. Oh, your wife in police want so for you.
He wasn't informed.
You are not informed too. You are not informed. Emma Bong calling. No, all of them must hear. Where the papa number? Make I try the papa number. I try the papa again.
You go see that Susan papa.
I don't see Susan papa. I go try the Susan papa. And I never hear anything, no. Now don't enter one chance today.
No customer you're calling is on another call.
They're talking to each other.
They are talking to each other. They are communicating.
They are trying to
what
figure out what to say.
Don't worry, don't worry. We know una house address. Bring the landlord phone number. Give me the landlord.
The landlord phone number. You did that.
Give me the landlord own. Bring landlord own. We'll talk to landlord.
Okay, this is it.
Right. Give me. Type am here.
Rishi.
See, on top of this show for our backyard, you cannot do anyhow to any human being and get away with it. They're not born you well. You see domestic violence, you see rape, you see child pornography, you see child abuse, you see anything where consign abuse against humanity. You can't do it and get away with it on this our backyard. Go ask them for Kirikiri how many people will don't suffer this matter. Okay. Thank God. Now the landlord number be this. Only
better pick.
You must speak, you. One fair pick. Hello, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, landlord. How are you? Good morning, sir. My name is Nanedu. I call you from Wazobia FM.
Yeah, Kedu. Good morning, brother.
Morning. I'm not.
I'm one of your fans too.
Yeah, one of our fans. Okay. Okay. Now you want marry the 17-year-old girl, Susan?
Yes, I'm the one that proposed for the marriage.
Okay, you are the one that proposed for the marriage.
Yes.
Now, okay, before we even talk, I want to make you know, say the whole authorities where they involved for things like this, they listen.
You say?
Before you continue, you dey hear me, sir? Before you continue conversation, I want to make you know, say the whole authorities where they involved.
I know.
Now, I want to ask you, sir. What will be the reason we make you want marry 17-year-old girl?
I think this your friend
Tombo.
Tombo.
Yes.
Tombo. I've sent many voice for Tombo.
Yes.
If Tombo want to be an honest man, fair go, he's supposed to play all the voice record out.
No, now make me they call you now. Talk.
Okay,
no need
fine.
for voice. No talk. I dey hear you.
Okay, now listen. I did not have 3 wives. I don't know how come about it. I have 1 wife. To God,
okay.
Maybe yeah, do your investigate on it. You will confirm that I have only 1 wife.
Atibo.
Yes. Now, my wife job sometimes he do duty on night duty.
Your wife is a police officer.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Night duty.
Okay.
Sometimes he do night duty.
Yes.
And I looked at my wife. My children will be hanging around. I'm tired for this. I cannot bear this for Christ's sake. And sometimes if I come back later in the day, I will enter kitchen. Listen now.
I'm listening to you, sir. Sorry.
Are you the one that want to judge?
Sorry, I'm listening to you.
Commissioner of police for this matter.
I am listening to you.
You told me you come back. I have lawyer.
Sir.
Don't say Please, Nigeria, you people should help me.
Yes, sir. Continue.
I'm 30 years old.
Oh, you are 30 something.
Yes, I'm above 30 years now. Suzanne is 18 to 19 years. I know Suzanne very well.
Suzanne is 17 years
doing
old, sir.
Doing an character. So I decided because of my children, my wife, sometimes we do night duty. Nobody, sometimes I travel. I'm a businessman. So now I decided for this my student to be hanging around, calling people come and sleep at my house. I don't like it. Even if I go work in the afternoon, my wife go work maybe a day in the afternoon, they will scatter my house, my leather chair, everything should be rough. I don't like it.
Yes.
I beg this woman for second wife, please. I beg you in the name of God. I told her that. So because of jealous, you want your children be hanging around. The woman thinks, okay, he decided to agree. I lead and beg her, he decided to agree, so fine. Which is, and I tell her, if you know that truly you agree, follow up. In our advice, if you want to do anything, don't do in a secret way. Be open to the world. To God, I did never touch Suzanne. Ask her, do your investigate very well. Ask her, this man touch you one day. Never, swear to God, I create heaven. Nigeria people listening, I beg. God bless me that I have power that
Okay, hold on. Listen to this question.
Okay, sir. So, but Suzanne has said she doesn't want to marry you. Why are you still forcing it?
Thank you. It's a complete liar. Why Suzanne collected money from me, sir? Man, I swear to God, come and do your investigate very well. Invite us and do your investigate.
Okay.
Suzanne be using boss number to call me.
Now, Suzanne, hold on. Sorry, sir. Listen to me, sir. Now, the question is, okay, before I ask you questions, trust me when I tell you this thing. Before me and Tombo and Tone and everybody on top of Abaka, they ask you question. At this investigation, we have done investigations already since on Monday. From weekend, we don't do investigation. They come on top of this matter. So for us to come meet you, we get our fact right to talk to you. Hold on, listen, Oga, listen now. Oga, please listen.
Oga, you call me after I call your wife.
Listen, you call us after we call your wife. So not say you call first. Okay, not let us play tapes for you. We get tapes, we get everything. Now listen. Okay, listen. Ijako, we are not fighting you. We're just.
But I sent you now. You voice record. I sent to my lawyer.
Oga, that's why we talk to you now. No need for voice record.
Will you calm down? That is why I'm talking to you. I don't care about your voice note. I'm talking to you.
You cannot play because you know the truth. Go ahead, Mr. Tombo. Let's do this thing.
Oga, will you listen to me? Will you listen to me? I'm talking to you.
Go ahead.
Oga,
go ahead.
How much you give Susan, where he reach for her to marry, we go pay you back the money. To start with, the girl don't tell you say he no one marry. Wait, Oga, the girl don't tell you say she no one marry. The 17 years old girl don't tell you say no one marry. Why are you forcing it? Now another question I want to ask you. Hold on. Now one question. Please just wait. Make I ask you. I get 3 questions to ask you, sir. Then you answer one by one. The 17 years old girl don't tell you say he no one marry you again. You are forcing it. Then one. Why you still want force him to marry you? Second question is, why the place where she run go on Friday for safety? Why police they call the woman for kidnapping? 2. Meanwhile, as police they call the woman for kidnapping, the parents of the girl they talk say not be them institute the arrest on her. The third question is, I beg, wetin make the girl run comot on Friday? Because the girl talk say the parents want make she go sleep with you. Now make you run comot on Friday. Am I right or wrong? Or tell me what you think different from these things what I say, sir.
The truth I say, they don't coach the girl. A policewoman coach the girl, waiting the girl go talk. The day of introduction, you know, say they go carry this girl do introduction for policewoman house. By force the girl,
yes, introduction.
By force the girl say this now what you go talk for this introduction. If you not do, we go kill you.
They are the ones kidnapping, in fact, because this is against our will. They are the ones do they do the kidnapping.
Okay, what I want make una understand now, na say with the hand over.
They call me personally. I don't.
They call you personally. Pick up, talk to him. Pick up and talk to him. We'll get 45 seconds.
Okay, I will still get questions for you. I'm gonna answer the question.
Answer the questions what I ask you.
Please be honest. Don't do this thing in this way. Network call you. I try to call you back.
Answer the questions why I ask you. Answer the questions why I ask you. Answer the question why I ask you. Answer the question why I ask you.
Okay, number 1. Let me continue. Let me remember. You asked me that why police is looking for the boss. Then secondly, why I'm forcing myself to marry. That I'm forcing to marry her. Am I get it?
Okay, continue the year. You will not get time.
Now only that 2 questions you asked me now. Let me answer.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you be the papa of Susan. For those who never hear you, because you did on air now. Now, one quick question why I want to ask you first of all. When I've been to talk to you off air, I record the conversation just in case. When I've been to talk to you off air, you tell me. Okay. Listen to me. So when I did talk to you for phone earlier, you tell me say the landlord. Now you say the landlord not meet your daughter straight. Say now you landlord come meet say he want marry your daughter. Now I can't ask you another question. Wait, I go ask you again, and I go like make you talk am. I beg, your daughter want marry the landlord? Yes or no?
I answer you. I say yes. You won't marry him.
Now wait. Now
okay, listen. I want to explain to you how it take happen.
Okay, how it take happen? Tell us. We hear you. How it take happen?
God bless you.
Go on, sir. We hear you.
Okay. And she come meet me. She you won't marry my
daughter.
So I can't say okay. You don't follow and talk. If God made me, you say no. Okay. So if the way that they do marry from right from the beginning, now you want marry. You won't marry in a modern way. If in the ancient days, you want if you like your girl, direct to their papa.
Yes.
So
okay.
Good. You don't want to talk. Okay. If I call my daughter,
Yes.
tell my wife,
Yes.
say, okay, my daughter is going to marry you,
Yes.
no problem. And if you look great, no problem.
Okay.
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 I call my wife, I call my daughter.
Mm.
I say, okay, so where this people where this man talk?
Mm.
My wife say, this thing, I think talk.
Mm.
I call it's the parents of my daughter. I say, okay, you like to marry this man?
Yes.
And he say yes, you like to marry him.
Okay.
So as he say you like to marry him,
Mm.
I'm not talking anything again, like almost a week like this. I can't say, okay, the man can't ask me, say, you don't tell him because he don't want to spoil her career, her education career.
Who say no one spoil your daughter education career?
The man.
Okay, say no one spoil your daughter education career.
If
Okay.
you want just propose am down.
Oh, in one
that,
protect them down, keep her make she dey go school.
So that any education will on further, it will for sure am.
Hold on, sir. Sorry, before you continue, sir. Is you according to what you talk now, it don't go against within the landlord talk, because landlord talk say in one person way go to take care of his children for house, not be person way go to go school.
No.
But continue.
I talk,
No. Now waiting the not be waiting you talk. Now waiting not be waiting I say you talk. Now waiting the landlord talk be that. So it don't come dey different from waiting you talk. But continue. I dey hear you, sir. Continue, sir. Continue.
Okay. You can't the landlord get me now.
Okay. Talk to you. They listen to you, sir. Go on.
Okay. So I said he don't agree, and the landlord come out. Okay, I don't flow and talk.
Okay.
But she agree to marry you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Mm.
I believe landlord they give I'm not calling the landlord, now my in-law, because my daughter don't agree to marry him.
Okay.
I don't feel like you, because whether you won't kill me, you kill me with
No, continue, sir. No worry. Continue.
with the truth.
Continue,
Okay.
sir. Continue.
If they give her something,
The landlord they give her something.
My daughter will come tell me she they give her more. She say this they give her, and if they collect,
Okay.
so if they come to her and say, okay.
What did they give her? Na money they give her? Na money they give her?
Eh?
Na money they give her?
If they give her money,
Okay.
they give her money. Sometimes buy her clothes first.
Okay.
They give her buy her clothes, but honestly, my daughter will come tell me.
Okay.
As they go, I think they don't tell me anything when you do for you.
Yes.
Because now them know the way that they play.
The way they play.
The day of production. If you don't need to marry somebody, you know everything where the husband give you will come to your dad and your mom.
Yes,
It's not possible like that. It's not possible like that. Of course, I believe he is a married man. So it's not possible like that. So the day of production, they ask him, you like the man? He say yes. You like the man?
Where una do the introduction? Where
like
una where be the place where una do the introduction?
the place where do the introduction.
Yeah, what be the
my auntie place.
your
Na
auntie?
my
Which
senior
work your auntie
sister
they do? Which work your auntie they do?
The work not necessary now.
No, I know why they ask, because we from the investigation way we do. Okay, hold on, sir. You go continue. But why they ask you from the investigation way we do? We hear say now for police officer house owner do the introduction. Not true?
It's not a crime to do introduction with the police officer.
No. It's not a crime. I'm just asking. Not true. I'm not saying a crime. I say not true. Yes or no? That's all.
The work where they do that one, it's not your business. If you do your investigation, you keep on where the time comes.
Oh yeah, continue, sir.
Okay. And the reason why I go to my article is maybe I never build house for Lagos. And you hear me too?
Yeah, we hear you.
And we are the rent house, no speak to clean the people where they will come.
Okay.
So we want to go and do for all.
So we look at the situation. I say, okay, I think get a lot of space.
Yes.
So I come back my I say, okay, if you allow me to use
A house.
compound,
Yes.
a house.
Okay.
Okay, if you no problem, but I should go take permission for a husband. I don't need the man. I tell him, say, Baba, I want to use your compound just to 2 to 3 hours.
Oga, sorry to stop you. Oga, no, Oga, please hold on. I don't want make you go into all these stories. I know how you take it. And yes, and listen, Oga. I don't want too much talk. I don't ask you where they do am. You tell me say yes, na there then do am. No problem. Now the question where are they come to now? Now say from the investigations we will do, sir. We find out say your daughter run on Friday. Why she run?
Very good. God bless you. Okay.
If she true want marry the man, why she run?
Wait. On Friday, night after 9. So we don't have any misunderstanding. You don't show any negative action where you are going to take because you don't like the man. And you don't tell me anything. So I did outside. I see I'm open it to account for more. I think I'm a man said a message. So, and I believe you don't get issue with our mommy. So you just went out just like that. And you wait, you don't come again. And I'm telling you honestly, I never put this kind of thing before. To do to the matter, I know whether you want to kill me with my truth.
Okay, no, they talk this thing. So continue.
We wait till 10, you don't come. So my issue, we begin to charge up and down. Call my people where they are around. They will know where they see her. They say no.
Yes.
I say, okay, you say me wait tomorrow. So that you know where we'll go. Till they break here, I'm telling you honestly, I'm not free. So where did they break? We call our auntie where the men work from. It cost about 2 to 3 weeks. Because of the school, you don't go shop. Did you hear me?
My question, you never still answer me a question why they ask you, sir.
Wait now.
You have no, you just the beat around the bush, sir. Why she run come out? That's all I'm asking.
How would it? I don't know how he run now. How he things run. If you are not, for no find out.
She run come out for house.
Yeah?
Yes or no?
Yeah, even sometimes you just go out like this and you don't have any misunderstanding.
And he not come back.
That is why they find out. I go report for station.
Okay, you go report for station. You go. Oga, hold on.
Oga, hold on. From the investigation we'll do, Oga, you no report to any police when your daughter run come off her house.
Yeah?
Yes, you don't report to any police when your daughter. You dey hear me, Oga? You dey hear me? Correct. I say, from the investigation what we do on top of our backyard, you no report to any police station as at the time when your daughter rock come off her house. Based on say,
I don't report.
Yes, you don't report to any police station
Maybe
when your daughter come off her house for night.
In-law,
you don't report.
I tell the woman,
now your in-law, you tell. You tell your in-law.
We don't get to the fine. Don't worry.
No, you tell your in-law about the matter and I be the report. Now, another question what I want to ask you. Waiting lead to from investigation allegedly. Waiting lead to the beating of your Susan yesterday.
I know you will come again.
What lead to beating of Susan yesterday? Because from the information we'll get, we hear say you una beat Susan yesterday because of this whole thing.
Yesterday.
Yes. Now question I ask, yes. Is it true?
Rod.
No, I just ask not true or not. Not true.
We don't take on 10 years today.
No, not true. And a question I ask, would they beat him? You beat him yesterday? I be not beat him yesterday.
I know beat him. I know become Woga.
Okay, you know what you go do for me, sir? You know what you go do for me, sir? I beg, I want to talk to Susan.
If you don't,
okay, I go call your wife.
Okay, you
dey
work.
Man. You dey work. No, okay, no worry, no problem. You be Okada man. Yes.
I'm Okada man. Now 6 o'clock I come out house.
Okay, no problem. I go call your wife. I go call your wife to talk to your daughter. And I beg, tell your wife make she pick, okay? We want to talk to Susan.
No, we not control the case.
Thank you very much.
Okay, just as the man they talk, I dey hear background of people.
Yes, I dey hear background. I dey hear background. People they tell them what you go talk. I dey hear everything. Not be, you know, come out.
Okada man gonna say they road.
Ide house, obviously. Obviously.
Okay, but not shaking.
Poverty na bad thing, no. All I can say is poverty is a bad thing.
Better one.
But anyway, the necessary authorities will not hand over every detail of this case, all the voice note, everything. Just for everything.
The one where then where they get talk.
Yes.
I don't say that to you. I don't know that I go stick.
The one where the Susan talk about the sex and everything.
I don't say that to you. I don't know that I go clear for your phone.
I don't know. See, una no think say for us to carry the matter come on radio, say we not know waiting with the talk. We don't get almost every information where we need. But for the benefit of the doubt, now say okay, make we ask whether you go tell us waiting day. I mean, we don't know waiting they go. I be waiting information we will get it day wrong. Hello, sir. Now they do the talk. We call you from Wazobia FM.
Okay, organic.
You don't hear everything where they talk, Abi?
Yes.
Tell me waiting they different from waiting they talk. Go on, I they hear you.
Waiting really they different from waiting they talk. We say at least again the person be say I go first word put format make it start to tell me waiting no be.
Okay.
As my mother call me that Sunday tell me say I go carry the girl.
Okay.
I carry the girl. As I come back, I don't get time to even talk to the girl until
Okay.
evening when I come back.
Okay.
So when I come back, I can start to ask the girl, waiting happen, waiting they really happen.
Go on, yes.
You see, in parents and they force them to marry their landlord.
Okay.
I say, marry your landlord. I say, how? He say, he no want. I say, okay, why you no want the marriage? At least marriage is not a good thing. He say, but I no want marry. I say, why you no want marry? Okay, now, when I don't do introduction.
Yes.
When they do introduction, for day and day, you suppose let your people, everybody know.
Talk say you no want marry.
I no want marry. Now you talk say, brother, say see wetin happen. No, they force her, they teach her. Say now the police woman where they even go in house go do the thing. Now you tell her, call her enter inside. They tell her wetin she go talk. Make she talk like this. Make she talk like this. Make she talk like this. See now then teach her what to say. That is her. So you say all through last time now she go school because of the same matter. Now because of the same matter, make them stop her from coming even to work.
Yes.
For where she learn apprentice for my wife.
For your wife hand, okay.
Matter,
Okay.
For my wife hand, I make them stop her. So as I ask all those things, well, I can't look. Waiting I want to okay, waiting you want make her do that. Well, as it is now, is against your own will. What they are pushing you to now is against your own will. How old are you? Say she be 17. Say by October she will complete 18. I say, well, but what you want make her do for you now? He said, brother, I know. I got to say, okay, you would like make her go arrest your parents, ma go pick your mama, ma go pick your papa. At least make them interrogate them, know why then they force you to marry.
Yes.
Now I got to say, brother, I know I make police carry mama, I know I make police carry papa. Now I got to say, well, me, I know she keep you for my own house.
Yes.
I know she keep you for house.
Yes.
It's going to happen. They say, it is either you go back to the same man where then they push you to, but I can't carry you to the man now. Waiting me, I know now your parents' place, I will carry you go. I just make that decision, carry him, go give him mama and papa. And when we got there that very day, they were grateful, say, I will thank God. Because of the life threat the girl they give, because the girl says she go kill herself. I reach house, I tell him parents, I tell him mama, I call him papa, I say, I use God beg you. Anything we go make this girl happy, I make you do for her. Anything we do against our wish, no drum. Will you be happy if this girl die? What value? What if you know marry landlord now? You know some marry landlord, he can't die. How you go feed? You know get to the girl. The landlord is no longer your in-law. If you want the landlord to be your in-law, what will you feel? How you go be?
Yes.
So in talking to say now be papa na the thing you want, now the girl
go do.
Go want. And this girl now be their only daughter.
Wow.
this girl is their only daughter. So I don't know why it say a man would, even though says you don't get money, those says when I reach Atlanta, say this girl you're underrating today might be even the first president of Nigeria or might be the first female governor of your state. Stop this thing. I advise the man, talk to the man, tell her say, oh tap knife, anything we do say, any bad object, because
made them
this
hide
girl now,
down.
with the state where she did, made them they come out from and they made them try to make the girl happy.
Yes.
That was what I said that night. Only to reach the next morning, my wife on Monday, my wife when they call me say the so said landlord wife, which I think he's an inspector, say when they call my wife, they tell her to say the matter don't come out for the mama Susan hand and papa Susan hand do. Say na kidnap case na she do na kidnap case. Once say kidnap case, how we can't become kidnap? Waiting you do it take kidnap pikin. And I be the thing we say come they surprise you. I know just come.
Girl wey run go come on a place. Na him be kidnap case.
We run, yes.
And as they look for am, you can't carry am go drop am back. Now they say na kidnap case.
Na me drive with my car, carry and go drop am for a parents' place. With my wife, we carry and go with my brother who they stay with me. We carry and that night go. Oh yeah, this one at pikin. They say I would die. He would take Sam. I explain to them. Say Sassy, yes, Sassy. My wife tell them say I think come out on Friday. He call her on Friday. Then after that Friday night around 11:30 to 12. Nothing we go feed. The night also okay. Go sleep for my sister-in-law. Please.
Yes.
The next day, this Saturday, I'll come and pick you. Then that Saturday, she did busy. She did very busy. Nothing she did. She did very busy. Occasional clothes that we did her hand.
She just go deliver.
So you make her no come fit, even meet the girl or even see the girl at all. That Saturday, she can't come back on the tell me, see, I beg. Make her help and go pick Susan. Now I make her go pick Susan that Sunday morning. The same Sunday evening, as I come like that same Sunday, as she carry Susan go in Papa and Mama house.
Now, yesterday, I can't even hear self say they even beat Susan yesterday because of the same issue.
Now, day before yesterday, they beat her. We can't go back on Sunday. Day before yesterday, being Monday morning.
Yes.
They say they beat her mercilessly.
Wow. Okay. Anyway, thank you very much. Your number, your wife number, everybody where they in charge for this matter, because what thing would they try do? Our owner to try save the 17-year-old girl.
And the two way even call they bother me now. Now the threats of police to come arrest my wife for shop. They don't carry police. Even yesterday said they see go my wife's shop. They find and they go. Now she no fee work. People she dey fear to go to shop.
Don't worry yourself. Will they hand them over to the necessary authorities? Then go take them as we they finish no sound. Then go take over everything now. Or both your number, your wife number, even the police woman number, everybody number, will go hand them over to the necessary authorities. Then go handle them to make sure say first most important thing first of all, this girl will never want marry. Will be 17-year-old girl. We go save her first of all. Then face other things when it be say concern the matter. Thank you very much for doing the little way you go feed do on top this matter. I believe you. God bless you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
All right.
You see this matter where they ground, the landlord done they call left, right, and center. Oga, no worry, no call us again. No call us again. No worry. We don't need your call again. We don't call you. You don't tell us everything where you want tell us. We don't hand them over to the necessary authorities. Now, if you no want, if you want to call us, you want talk. Okay, leave Susan. Period. Just leave her.
That's poor girl.
Now the girl say he no want marry.
Not by force.
Based on wetin we dey, just leave am. Leave am. Na 17-year-old girl the she be. According to her oga husband for her tailor work oga husband, the man said the girl said she wants to kill herself. Now until the girl die before una go leave am.
The girl wan commit suicide.
The girl wan commit suicide. Based on wetin we hear. Now until the girl die because of say you wan marry. Now wetin dem no even know sef say two of them dey contradict themselves, the papa and the landlord. Landlord talk say he kneel down go beg him wife say, oh mommy, I want to marry. Oh you are always going to work. My children, who gonna take care of them? I need somebody that will be being at home. So your own children go to go school. Now he said one person go to their house, we go to take care of the children because the wife know they always there. The guy papa come talk say, the man talk say Ingo Mara may no want say he never need anything. Now make she go school first of all. So you see that there are two of them just they talk different things entirely. Anyway, I don't even know. I feel like we'll call that in police wife.
Well,
I not
just
sure.
Begin take calls.
More just begin take phone call. You see, that in police wife, no need to call her. We just hand them. We don't hand them. We will hand them over to the necessary authorities.
So I mean,
because since she will be policewoman, not get sense of behavior.
she knows the law.
Hello, who do on the phone line? Talk to us. Hello.
Hello, Kanedu.
We don't hear you.
Morning.
Good morning, no.
Morning.
So good morning.
Good morning, ma.
Here's your flight. In fact, Oganedu, this matter, there is something between the landlord and that girl, Papa. The man wants to exchange that girl for something. They never really talk the thing. When make them want by force the girl marry that man. And when they want make the man marry the girl, that one way they talk saying wife to say something there. Even though na poverty, but there is something. Either if their house friend they cannot meet up, that they fear the man because the wife na inspector. In fact, there is something. Not the only this one where we dey talk so.
Yes.
Because now when the man they call you now he know what he wants.
He they call us left, right, and center now.
He know what he they talk when he want call you now. You see this girl, Papa, he be like say make her see him, make her give that is there. Oh my God.
Thank you very much. Hello, we do on the phone line. Welcome to Abakia. Talk to us, we hear you.
Hello, good morning.
Who they talk?
Now, Mommy Miracle.
Mommy Miracle, talk to us, we hear you.
Morning.
Everybody in the
Good
city.
morning.
We'll greet you.
Organic, you don't talk and finish. Poverty no good. Even though say that man they find who go take care of his children. You know go find person, you know go hire person who go take care of his children.
Oh.
Now more saying that small girl, I go take care of those children. I beg, something is fishing inside this thing.
Thank you very much.
That in Papa, both in Mama, both the landlord, all of them, they need to be arrested.
No problem. Thank you. Hello, who do on the phone line?
Good morning.
Good morning. Would they hear you talk?
The man don't know where they go find house girl. Or you know if you go carry mama and find the man don't get this thing. And that woman that says now about what she do to save the girl, so fair now. Now the woman cannot go to her shop, which nonsense. Now they can. If you don't know where they find house girl, or man carry one of your house girl in the first second wife. You should walk quiet there.
Hello, who do on the phone line? Welcome to Abakia.
Good morning. Good morning,
Good morning.
You see AJ on the line.
Talk to us, we hear you.
This matter, it don't happen to me. Not even my parents, my auntie cousin.
Okay.
I go stay with her. The landlord can't tell us he won't marry me at 16.
16?
I get four wives. They go put me for school or rishi because my father died early and my mother sick. So my mother sick for more than 10 years. So they share us. So the man say he go marry me. Then my sister can call me say, he go carry me go school. We no go pay house rent again. We no go do this blah blah blah. I say I no feel marry him. I'm too small. And that's how they work small work. They take and they feed myself. Not be even she they feed me.
Yes.
Then he talk. The ending, my auntie run come up for the house. She didn't even tell me. Only me can't remain. So one of my uncle, then can come out me for this. So my dear, the man they want to use the girl exchange something. So that they don't go pay house rent, they don't go pay anything. Only tell me say a father and a mother it will pay me. The girl not safe now. It's not safe for their hand.
All right. Thank you very much.